It's not only about the funds, it gives a lot of freedom for people to invest and move their funds.
What is it that brought you to Texas?
Texas is crypto friendly. Income taxes are very low and property taxes are very friendly. The weather, the central location, and we see a lot of things that have been done by the Texas Blockchain Council. We've been very encouraged by the messaging and the vibe in the crypto and the staking and the mining in Texas and the surrounding regions. So we decided to set shop in Texas and take it forward from there.
Wow, I love to hear that. I love to hear that the word is out. Tell me a little bit, this is a very hot topic with a microscope on a lot of the banks right now that are adjacent to crypto, and there's a lot of trepidation in the space with what happened to Signature. And what are you seeing in the industry?
We see a great opportunity. The blockchain industry or the crypto is not going anywhere. There's almost $2 trillion in there. It's not only about the funds, it gives a lot of freedom for people to invest and move their funds. So we see the future very promising for a lot of fintechs and businesses that want to service their clients and move their funds.
How has your reception been as you offer the services? Are people trepidatious? I know that we've had a lot of trouble. Sometimes banks are a little afraid to touch the industry right now. Are you experiencing that as well?
Yeah, I have to say some of it is still ongoing, and hopefully we'll work with the Texas Blockchain Council to really mitigate some of their fears. A lot of banks are afraid that the federal government will come down or the regulators. But the thing is, you have to be bold and you have to push the envelope sometimes, and we're working with them and the regulators to really move things forward.
There's a real concern that it can have a real chilling effect on the industry in the United States if it's not clarified, because I know that a lot of our members have been asking, give us regulation, give us clarity, we will obey it, we want to obey it, but just direct us. What is it like the U.S. compared to the rest of the world right now? Because you said you were in 45 different countries?
Yes. Yeah, we're in roughly 60 countries. The European and UK countries have really adopted this earlier, and there's more clarity, and everybody's waiting for the US regulation to be clearer because everybody wants US dollar rails. The US dollar is still the leader, absolute leader for security. People want their trades and their money in the US dollar. I mean, a few years ago, US dollar used to be, 1 euro used to be 1.4 US dollars. Now it's like equal. Same thing with the Canadian currency. So the US dollar and the US government is still the shining beacon for a lot of global investors and retail customers. They want their savings in US dollars, and that's why the opportunity is great. And Texas is primed to service this.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We had a great time here at Consensus. At the Texas Blockchain Council, we are striving to be the nexus between traditional industries, banking, finance, legal, energy, and the digital asset industry. So we want to help you get your brand in front of those kinds of companies with B2B opportunities. Reach out to us if that's of interest for membership or for sponsorship at the summit. Hope to see you there in November in Fort Worth. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you at the summit.